these children into this children's home, one of the most amazing things is when we hand them a pair of underwear. These children's eyes just light up, George. They just light up because they've heard of underwear. They know what it is, but never in their life did they think they would have any. I mean, it's something that's almost unimaginable here, but it's powerful, powerful there.
And how do you, you built one home, and how many children can you handle in that one home?
Well, we actually are able to handle 30 boys in this home. And the home that we're in the process of building and raising the funds to build is going to handle anywhere from 30 to 60 girls.
Okay, so you're handling 30 children right now. And when you do this, how do you fund it? I mean, all of this costs money. How do you fund this?
Well, we fund this through congregations of Christians who are interested and individual Christians who are interested. One of the most powerful blessings we have is a Christian husband and wife who've given us what we call a matching funds grant. Any amount of money that anyone wishes to donate to the building of this girls' home, which we are calling the Gift of God, this individual has agreed to double that funding all the way up to the amount of $200,000.
Isn't that fabulous?
It is fabulous.
Now, I'm sure people are watching this and they say, how can I be involved? What can they do to be involved?
Well, obviously, we want you to pray. I mean, that's powerful. This ministry is grounded in prayer. We began basically 2 years ago with nothing. And we've been able to move by the Lord's blessing all the way to the point where we have one of these children's homes fully operational now. I actually thought it would take us 5, maybe even 7 years to get to this point. But, you know, here we are now. And then the other thing, of course, is to donate some funds to the project.
And how do they contact you, or how do they contact the a website, or do you have a phone number? How can they contact you?
Well, the easiest way to contact me is just to call my phone, 901-405-1097.
We'll put it up on the screen, 405-1097.
Yes, and that's my home phone. That'll reach me.
Do you have an email address or anything?
Absolutely. David at FT, that's like Frank and Tom, FT Institute. The name of the children's home where the boys are is the Fleming Tarpeidoux Institute.
Right. So David at
FT, that's right, FT Institute.org.
And we really appreciate you being here. We appreciate what you're doing, the work you're doing, and the lives you're saving. You're literally saving lives.
Oh, and you just can't imagine how powerful this is. When you walk into a Hindu community, you take those Hindu children and you show them the gospel of Jesus Christ. These are children who have been abandoned in the neighborhood, and everybody knows this. And they know that these children are not cared for by anyone. We walk in with the gospel, we start caring for them, then everywhere these children go, they become powerful witnesses for the love of Jesus Christ.
And, I mean, that's fabulous. We appreciate you doing this. I'm sure many people want to become involved with this. Go ahead, give your phone number one more time so that people can call you. And don't, you know, this program sometimes is on late at night, so you're going to get calls. And I challenge you, I want each one of you to pick up the phone, even if you don't plan to give any money. Call and tell Dave, tell him, I appreciate what you're doing. Keep up the good work. I'm praying for you. Go ahead, give your phone number again. Pick up the phone now. Call him. Jam the line. I want him to know people are out there looking, watching him, and praying for him, making certain that his project is successful. Give your number.
It's area code 901-405-1097.
And we're shown in several states, in several different cities, so you're going to get calls from all over.
Praise God.
And we want them to come involved. Just call, talk to him, listen. And even if you don't plan to give anything, it's okay to call. So go ahead and call him now, and I appreciate you watching. This is George Flynn with Your American Dreams. Let's help everyone all over the world live the American dream. Thank you.
Thank you.